Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are here with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what product we dupe out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Hey baby. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick look. I'm gonna use this palette from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. Is the Artistry palette. Yep. It's actually Father's Day, so nothing too crazy. Let us go into this shade number 28. Yep, 28 was fine. And I'm just gonna put this right here. And this is on a R39 from Morphe. And just keep on blending, guys, like to make sure your look is seamless. This is a very like everyday, nice, soft palettes. And I'm gonna use this brush. It's from Ruce, and that's the LR120. And I think I'm gonna go into 17, and I'm gonna just put this right here. And just blend it out. And now I'm gonna go back into this, into 28, and just kind of re-intensify this because I lost a little bit of it. Oops, and I'm throwing this here. And then back to 17 because and now I did a little bit of glitter glue. Now I'm gonna use this Morphe brush. It's the M166. I'm actually gonna go into one of these little glitters I have from MAC. I'm sorry guys, but these are actually discontinued because you only get them like during like the holiday time. But these are so pretty. Like they have them in their like Christmas or holiday bundle. That's what I get them. Actually, I don't even get them then. I get them when they go on sale after. Because usually they have them for like 40% off. And they usually have them like in a little box that has like multiples. So if you can get your hand on it, then it's definitely the time to buy it. I'm gonna go back to that Artistry palette. And let us go into 24. And I'm just gonna put this there and just blend it. And this is on a Luxie 237 brush. 24. And then back to 28 a little bit. And then back to just a little bit. Okay, perfect. So that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I'm gonna put some foundation. Today I'm gonna use About Face. I actually really like this foundation, and it's not even that expensive. This is my foundation brush, which is the Flawless brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I love that brush. And this is my perfect match. Like normally it's a little bit dark, but we we are in summer and I'm always outside walking, so. This is Make No Mistake from Sephora, so we're gonna go ahead and put a little here. I'm gonna put a little bit of this. This is my one size. Oh my god, I went blank. Actually, I use this. This is the contour stick from Too Faced. It smells like chocolate. So please don't eat it. I'm just joking. And this is a E34 brush from Morphe. And now let us blend this concealer. So I don't like that blush or that concealer from Sephora. It's doing something weird, and I know it's not the one size one because I use that all the time. And to set under my eye, I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty powder, and this one is in banana bread. I even forgot my lashes. I'm not, you know, like the girlies that can just take it and tack it. I need help, but I can definitely put it on with, you know, minimal issues. So to me, that's a win. And to set the rest of my face, let me use this. This is actually from Collab. Just a setting powder. Okay, let's do a little under the eye. I'm only gonna do one shade, which is just the darkest shade. We're just gonna do 28 actually, just a little bit of that. And now let's put a little something in my inner corner. Just gonna use that same MAC. Okay, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in shade 3. I do want a pink blush, so that's what we're looking for. Oh, I didn't get my blush brush, so that's good. What do I have here? What do I have here? Oh, let's use this. This is from ABH, and it is the Pink Passion. Like so, and I'm just gonna swirl my brush in all the shades. And let's use Exhilarate from Rare Beauty. No, let's line the lip. I'm gonna use Morphe. And for gloss, I'm gonna use Latte Lip Gloss from ABH. Okay, so that's it. I'm actually gonna go for dinner, and then when we come back, we're gonna talk about our Dupe Friday. So see you guys later.
stay right here? Or would you run away if I tell you what's on my mind? I know we're more than friends, but less than lovers. This is not the end. There's much more to discover. Promise to stay. Will you promise to never leave if I tell you what's...
Hi guys, we're back, and now we're gonna talk about our dupe Friday. So today we're gonna dupe out the Neutrogena all-free eye makeup remover and the KORRES Wild Rose makeup melting cleansing oil. So we're gonna split the face. Well, let's not do that. We're gonna do one side with one and one side with the next one to see, So one has 3.8 fluid ounce and the other one has 5.7 fluid ounce. This is $40 and this is $5.96. So let's read a little thing about them. So the gentle all-free liquid eye makeup remover for the size I have is $5.96, and it says removes eye makeup the right way with this gentle dual phase all-free formula. It activates when shaken to gentle whisk away eye makeup, even waterproof mascara. And then let's read a little about the one from KORRES. It's $40. Melt away makeup and impurities and infuse your complexion with renewed radiance with luxurious cleansing oil containing real rose petals. So it has the rose petals in here. It said the cleansing oil easily rinses off, leaving skin silky smooth with a dewy complexion, suitable for vegans. Wild rose oil and directions on dispense into dry hands and massage. We're gonna use, so one is $5.96 and one is $40. So I'm gonna take off my lashes. This feels so good. It's like so satisfying to remove my lashes. So we're gonna use two different wipes. So first I'm gonna go on one side of my face with the Neutrogena. Let's shake and let's say shake. And let's wet that up. So we're gonna go to the eye. Now look at this. It's like gold. Ooh, we're taking off makeup. It's taking off the glue too. That's for my lashes, which is pretty good. So this is how this side came out. Like it literally just took up everything. And now let us go on the other side. We're also gonna use a wipe, but it's dry. I left it open, and we're gonna put some oil on here. And we're gonna do the same thing. Like this is just taking off like everything. This side, since I guess this is oil base, it looks a little shiny, but it doesn't really feel greasy. But I can see it looks a little. So this is the side that the Neutrogena took off, and then this is the side. So the only difference is this side looks a little shiny, and this one don't, because it's all free. But one is $40 and one is $5.96 or $6. They work pretty much the same. Actually, I feel like the Neutrogena one took off a little better than this. So it's $40 versus $5.96, $6. If you ask me, I think that is definitely a dupe. You can just go ahead and get the Neutrogena one. Makes your face a little less greasy, and it works even a little better. So it's 100% dupe. You can use that for your makeup remover. If you're trying to do a cut crease, I also use the Neutrogena one for my cut creases to clean out, you know, all the excess makeup. So yeah, so this is 100% a dupe. So that's it, guys, for this Dupe Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.